How to turn everyday objects into sketches with Hypersketch. First, just import your photo, then I'm going to jump into In Paints and remove background. Now for the magic. Go to Render It. Select the thumbnail to change the render style. I personally love the pen dynamic style for that classic sketch look, but you can choose anything you like really. There's your professional line work. If you would prefer working on a cleaner sketch, just make sure you're on the image layer with the liquid paper tool toggled and use the liquid paper to erase parts of the sketch you don't like. If you want to push things further, you can use Chat Edit to apply targeted edits directly to the image using AI. I'm going to prompt in some color and perspective lines. Let's see if it works. To finish it off, I usually remove the background one last time for a super clean asset. Make sure the settings are in PNG format before you export. And that's it. Subscribe for more tutorials like this one and use GZ20 if you download Hypersketch on iPad or desktop.